Guys, I started talking to the camera without pressing the record or hitting the record button. It just shows you that I haven't done a video in a while. This is the first video that I'm actually recording after I came back from the US for YouTube Black. And I don't know, I'm just really excited. Today's video is going to be a hair video. And this unit that I have here, I really, really like. So this video is not going to be long at all. I have Funke. Yeah, she's just talking, but you guys are going to see her because, see her hand. Bring your hand, Funke. So she's going to be the one doing my install as usual. Guys, she's super, super talented. I've said this several times. And I always plug her Instagram account and all those good details that you guys will need in the description box. So please check there. Her details are going to appear on the screen somewhere here once she pops in as well. I received my hair in a box that looks like this. Guys, I don't know why I've been receiving packages from FedEx DHL these days. I don't know why these boxes don't look the way they did when like the companies handed them over to them. Does that make sense? So the box looks like this. Normally this is supposed to slide out, but it's kind of falling apart. So I'm going to just open this and show you guys the hair. So you open the box and you get this, and there's a card in here that, you know, kind of states the wig specifications. And then there's a little book here called the wig instruction book. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. Lace already comes kind of pre-plucked. The plucking is really decent if you ask me, honestly. And then it has tracks. The tracks are not bulky at all. Like, everything is so neat under here. And it comes with an elastic band. I love that this is the elastic bands, the ones that allow you to adjust. It comes with the type of hooks that you get with bras, so it makes it really easy to adjust. It's not those ones that you just like, because sometimes elastic bands give me headaches. So this is not one of those that will just like give you constant headache. You can always adjust it if you want. Okay, so I cornrowed my hair. I did a little bit of brush in front. I didn't want to like make the braids really tight in front because I wanted like a little bit of hair on my edges so that I would use it to kind of blend a couple of things in towards. You guys are going to see what I'm saying. But I wanted to show you guys the parting on this wig. It's really, really deep. Like, really deep. It's a 13 by 6 frontal. Like I told you guys, the pattern is really deep. So we fitted the wig and Funke has cut off the excess lace. This wig, you actually don't need anybody to install it for you. The only reason why Funke is doing it for me is because she knows how to use bolt hold lace glue very well, and I don't. So bolt hold lace glue gives you extended wear. With it, you can wear your wig for about a week without any issues. However, with got to be after 2 days or something, it starts like kind of, you know, rolling up, and then you have to redo it again and all of that. So what we're going to be doing is like the bolt hold just on the center of my forehead, around the area where I have my cupid's bow, just the area she's applying it on right now. We're not going to be doing it on the sides. We're going to be using got to be for the sides. I've been doing this a lot lately because I want some control, and with got to be, I kind of have a little bit of control. It's easy for me to kind of touch up the sides if they start rolling up with got to be. You guys can see how natural this hairline looks. You guys can't even see the lace. She's kind of pushing it down to make sure that it blends seamlessly and trimming off the excess lace or anything sticking out. And then she's gone in with the got to be to do what I just explained. So just applying it on the sides. You guys know how got to be works, okay? You apply got to be, you use a dry on cool setting to dry it, just to make sure that everything is dry, okay? So she's just drying and using like a comb to push the lace into my skin. This will make it melt. I got this melt into the skin, if you don't understand what the melt meant. I got this edge controller I just showed you guys when I was in the States. It's called Edge Boost, and it's so good, guys. So good. So we're going to open up the pattern a lot more now, just make it a lot more visible. I told you guys already how deep it was. So just applying some of my foundation with a small angled brush down that line. So once she's done with this, you guys are going to see that the pattern is going to be a lot more visible. And after this, honestly, you know, what we're going to do is fluff this wig out. Just start touching it to open it up. The shape I really love. It has this heart shape thing. It's not a long wig, but I love the shape of it. This is honestly how I think that my natural hair will look if I ever went natural and took going natural seriously. I love it. I'm just trimming off anything that is sticking out. I love the shape of this. I love that it looks like it's growing out of my head. I love that it looks like my own hair. So just, I do this all the time, you guys know. I'm just using hose tights, whatever you call it, to tie down the lace to make sure that by the time I'm done with my makeup, like the lace like has just dissolved into the skin. Okay, so done my makeup and I am back. This is what the wig looks like. I really love the shape of it and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I'll leave the details you need, all the details for this wig in the description box. Bye.